In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone XR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you the two main ways to disable voicemail on your iPhone XR or any other model. The first one will be done by dialing a specific number. So dial #004#. By dialing this number, you are going to be disabling voicemail. So upon calling this, voicemail will no longer be used. If you want to enable it in the future, you will most likely have to contact your carrier, so keep that in mind. So all that you have to do for this particular option is to call this number, let the call go through, and after it is done, voicemail should be successfully disabled. Once again, it is going to be #004#. If this does not work for your particular carrier, you might have to contact them to see what number you have to dial, or you ask them to do it directly for you. The other option is going to be available when you head over to the settings and you go inside of the phone category. So go to settings, then phone, and inside you will see live voicemail. All that you have to do here is make sure that this option is disabled. This will also ensure that voicemail will no longer be used. So you can do both of these solutions to ensure that voicemail is going to be completely disabled. And like I said, you can do it easily by calling #004# and then disabling the live voicemail option. Besides this, you don't have to do anything else. If all else fails, contacting your carrier is going to be the go-to way because they will be able to do it on their end. So sometimes it is easier to just contact them and ask to have your voicemail turned off for your particular phone number. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off voicemail on iPhone XR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.